Hello, everybody. I hope you're having a great day. This is Eric Spotswood, Regional Manager of Prosperity Home Mortgage, and I am here with the wonderful Gabby Romero. Gabby, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Gabby Romero. I'm the insurance agent for Home Services Insurance. So we actually cover the whole state of Florida, but we are also nationwide. So I cover Florida, and I have a partner, Kiara, who covers South Florida.
Excellent. Gabby can save great money on insurance. She can also save our tail on a lot of deals that are going sideways. She has done it a number of times. So I know that there's a lot of fear and concern going on in the market around insurance and changes that are going on. So I wanted to bring Gabby on real quick and just talk a little bit about maybe demystifying or myth busting some of the things we're seeing or validating some of the things we're seeing. So, Gabby, what's going on in insurance today?
Yeah, absolutely. So it's definitely still a very tight market, and we're seeing that it's getting tighter. By that, we mean that the carriers are still very strict with their underwriting. We've had a few carriers pull back and say they're not going to be accepting any new business. So it's definitely still a challenging market. That's not to say that you shouldn't go out and try and see what other options you have, or that we're not going to be able to find a policy for you or your client. It could mean that it might take a little bit of time, and it could mean that we might end up with a carrier like Citizens that we typically wouldn't use in a different market, but they have become our go to.
Well, that's great. And I know that prices are moving up. Is that a trend that you're thinking is probably going to continue? Is it leveling off? What are you seeing?
So unfortunately, we are expected to see the rates increase. It's been projected that it's going to be about a 40% rate increase, and it's because of the reinsurance cost. So the carriers are having to pay more for reinsurance. So that means that they're going to be transferring those rate increases to us, the consumers. Every carrier is different, so it depends. But we were told it's going to be about 40%.
So if you have that, prices are going up across the industry. So if you had a bill that came in from your insurance carrier that's up, you're not alone. That's happening to everybody else that's out there. But is there anything anybody can do to try to get the best deal possible in an increasing rate environment?
Yes, there is. So, number one, you definitely want to shop around. Number two, be open to bundling. That's been one of the biggest ways to start saving. So, see if your carrier or reach out to us and we can look at your home and auto together, your umbrella policy. So, there's different options. But the other thing, too, is you want to make sure you're getting all the discounts that you're eligible for. Biggest discount that we see that's always left on the table, it's the wind mitigation credits. So if you qualify for those, make sure that you're getting those credits because that's a big savings that you could be carrying on to your policy now and even in the future.
Great. Any other tips, any other little known facts or anything I should know about insurance to make sure that I'm as informed as I could or should be?
Yes, so insurance is always changing. So you always want to make sure that you're staying on top of it. Make sure that you reach out to your carrier too if you have any questions or if you make any changes to your property. You want to make sure that you have that open communication with your
Mhm.
agent and your carrier to make sure that if any changes do come through, you know ahead of time how they're going to impact you so you can be proactive and making sure that you can continue to have coverage on your property and your auto as well.
My tip, call her. She's amazing at what she does. Nationally acclaimed, by the way, Money Months. I know you wouldn't say that about yourself, but I'm going to put you out there. She's in the national rankings for Home Services America as one of the top insurance performers that are out there right now. I'm going to make sure her information is in the comments as well. So if you need anything, reach out to Gabby, and I know she'd be happy to help. That I hope you all have an amazing day and good luck out there in the market. Take care.